Hi, welcome to another video tour from Trips and Giggles. This time we are at the Grove Resort in Orlando. It's about a 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive from Walt Disney World and other parks. This is a 3-bedroom unit. So every unit at the Grove is, in essence, like a condo unit. So this is a master bathroom with a bathtub. My kids are running around. A little sitting area. The decor is fine. Nothing to get excited about or take home or take off the walls. Here is the second bathroom and the second bedroom. And then here is the third bedroom and bathroom. So these places are great for families or multi-generational trips to Disney World because look at all this space. There's so much room. There's a full kitchen and perhaps the most exciting amenity in this unit is the laundry room. So for more on the Grove Resort in Orlando, head to tripsandgiggles.com.